Hello friends, welcome in our channel Fans of Agriculture. If are new in our channel, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you. And we will start today's lecture. Hello friends, so we can start the second part of first revision. First is prokaryotes. This is the part of um, biotic causes, which is infectious causes in the classification of plant disease. So start prokaryotes, the microorganisms whose genetic material is not organized into membrane-bound nucleus. In this, the first one is molecules. These are the wall-less prokaryotes that includes mycoplasma-like organisms and sporoplasma. The first one is mycoplasma diseases. In mycoplasma diseases, the first example is grassy shoot of sugarcane. You will see the picture, grassy shoot of sugarcane. This is the shoot and this is the like grassy shoot. This is clearly seen in the picture, the grassy shoot of sugarcane. And the next example is the little leaf of brinjal. This is the picture, the little leaf of brinjal. See, the leaf will gets size decreased. The leaf is little leaf of brinjal. And the next one is the sandal spike. This is the example of sandal spike. This is due to the spiroplasma. Sorry, it is due to the mycoplasma. And the next one is papaya bunchy top. See, the top of the papaya gets bunched like so. This is due to the mycoplasma. And the next molecules disease are due to the spiroplasma diseases. The first one is stunt disease. You see the corn maize will be stunted. This is the maize crop will be stunted, and the corn will be also stunted. This is the symptoms of a maize stunt. And so second example is citrus stubborn. This is the second example, which is caused due to spiroplasma. And the next one is rickets like bacteria, means RLBS. These are very small, sometimes submicroscopic, called bacteria. Its examples are citrus greening. We will see the citrus will be green in color half, and half will be yellow. This is the symptoms. This is the RLBS pathogen agent, and this is the plant of citrus, and this is the leaf symptoms. And the next one is Pierce's disease. We will see the grapes leaves gets caused due to RLBS disease bacteria, and it is caused, and the also grapes gets ruptured. And the next one is true bacteria. In true bacteria, the examples are brown rot or wilt of potato. See the picture. This is the brown rot, and the stem will be leaf will be wilted due to the true bacteria. See this picture also. This is the brown rot, and this is wilt disease. And the next one is soft rot of potato. See this, the potato will be softened due to the true bacteria. And the next one is next example is soft rot of vegetables. The vegetables get softened due to true bacteria. This is potato, carrots, capsicums, and see this all cabbage gets soft disease, soft rot. And next one is leaf blight of rice. See, this leaves of rice will be caused the leaf blight. See the symptoms. And next one is citrus canker. The spots on the citrus and the leaf of citrus, it is called the citrus canker. And the next one is sugarcane raton stunting. See this, the raton will be stunted, the length of raton will be decreased and known as sugarcane raton stunting. So these are the normal sugarcane and this is stunted sugarcane crop caused due to the true bacteria. And the last one is the angular leaf spot of cotton. See, the angular leaf spots are present on the cotton. This is caused due to the true bacteria which are comes in prokaryotes and biotic causes. So we can go to the quiz on this topic. Thank you.